It's 12 o'clock and I've got a neighbour that's contacted me to say that the arrogant people who live further down this lane can't be bothered to grit their part of the hill. Meaning that I've got to come out at this time of the night to grit the hill with hardly any grit in the grit bin. So my strategy here is to make an area where I've got grit. So only 4x4s going down can spread this grit, right? Because I really don't have enough. But it goes to show the arrogance of people who just don't care about their neighbours, who just don't really care at all, right? I'm doing this for neighbours who don't have 4x4s, who the postman and all the rest of it, right? Do my bit for the community, but other people feel that they shouldn't do anything for anybody. Arrogant, horrible people.